Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create GIF animation using PowerPoint presentation. Yes, using PowerPoint presentation we can create a different kind of GIF animation. As you see, the object should be running over there in the PowerPoint or any other places. Using the PowerPoint presentation itself, we can create GIF animation. The voice and image should be moving forward. In this video, I would like to share the easy process of how to create GIF animation using PPT. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe Havix channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. So this is a PowerPoint presentation. So I have did this presentation, this animation, this GIF I have created using the PowerPoint presentation itself. So how to do the simple way of presentation, simple way of GIF animation. Just open PowerPoint application in your laptop or desktop and select blank presentation. So this is a blank presentation. If you want to add title, you can add the title, otherwise just delete all this. Yes, so now I would like to create a different kind of GIF animation. I would like to insert the shape. With the shape, I would like to make an animation. Just click insert and go to shape options. So shapes will have a different kind of shapes will be available. So I can choose according to my needs. So this is my shape. With this shape, I would like to make an animation. So first I would like to give the colors and give the borders for the shape so that my shape should be changed as a animation model, design model. So I'd want to clear the colors of the shape. If you want to give different color, you can choose the color. Otherwise, you don't want any color, just select no fill color. So once I select no fill color, only the border color will be available. So just to collect shape outline and select a different kind of color, which color you want. So you can choose according to your needs and choose the shape outline and choose the width. So weight means just select the weight, which of the thickness of the shape you can choose. So I can choose 4.5 and again just select the same shape outline and select dash. So whatever dashes you want. For example, if you want to change the shape into a different kind of object, so this is a model. So once I select this one, so the model is changed like this. So again I would like to insert a new, go to insert shapes and select the circle option. I can select the circle model. So I want to animate both objects. Just select the shape and no fill color and select the outline border color. So once I select the outline border color, I can choose according to the width. So that width should be increased, means the thickness should be increased, means you know the object is moving around. Again I can choose a dash line or any other design line you can choose. So according to your needs. For example, these two objects should be moved forward and moving animated object I want to make it. So just select this option and go to animation pan in your PowerPoint. Just select animation pan. You will find a different kind of animation pan will be available. So you can choose appear, fade and fly. Everything will be available. If you want to know, if you want to get more design, more animation, means just select this one. There will be a more animation option will be comes over here. So you can select more entrance effect, more emphasis effect, more exit effects. Just select more emphasis effect. Once you select, means automatically the tab will be opened like this. Again, if you want to get this kind of tab, means just select animation pan. You will find a different kind of pan option will be available. So I just select option and I can select emphasis, more emphasis effect. Once I select this one, so you can choose fill color, means the color will be filled over there in the animation. So I can choose, so one or two styles I can choose according to my needs. And you want to click OK, means automatically the color will be filled over there. So once I play the PowerPoint animation, means the color will be filled. So I want to change this color. So I just select this option and effect option and choose the color. So the color will be changed over there. So you can choose according to your needs of the colors. So whatever colors you want, you can choose. Yes, if you want to animate this box, so if you want to box animation, you want to make it, means just click more effects and more emphasis, select option called spin. Once you spin the option, automatically your shape will be spinned over there. So as you see, just select OK and click. Yes, the object is moving. Now I would like to add one more effects for this option. So I can choose here emphasis for the color. Click more emphasis and fill color option. So I can choose the color. One is running over there, one is filling the color. So you can choose according to the color, whatever color you want, you can choose it. Yes, my animation is ready. Now I would like to play and see. So this is my animation is running over here and this is filling the color. So both animation should be run together with a moving object. So just select this one and click animation pan. As I said, just to select animation pan, you will find animation, whatever animation is we made it, everything will be displayed over here. So here the animation pan will come over here, so you can choose each and every effects will be adding the animation design. Once I select this triangle box, automatically the animation pan will be open here. You can select the dot option, automatically option will come over here. Just select timings. Once I select this timings option, automatically it will ask you whether you want to click only the animation should be start. You can select a bit previous, and delay you want to give the seconds, you can give the seconds, otherwise leave this box. And the duration, you want to duration anything, you can select according to your needs. Here you need to choose a repeat. Once you select a repeat option, there will be a none option will be available. Just select until end of slide. Once I select this option, automatically till the end the animation will be running over here. As you see, again same, click here timings and select with the previous, and repeat timing should be end of the slide until, just select OK. So now you can play the PowerPoint presentation. So the running over there with a GIF animation, both object is running over there. So now I would like to make this one as a GIF format, because this is a PowerPoint format. I want to make this one, this animation should be a GIF format. Just to go to file menu and select export option. Once you select export option, it will ask you create a video file, package, presentation, everything. Just select video file. So once I select a video file, the large file size quality highest will become over here. Just select large file size 1920 into 1080. Just select create a video. So and select the place where you want and create a folder GIF. So where I want to save, I can select, so GIF, I have given GIF MP4 format. This is a video format I have selected. Just to click OK. So automatically your video will be creating over here. As you see, yes, my video is created within a few seconds. After this, just go to desktop and find a GIF animation is changed as a video format. Yes, so this is a GIF animation which I made it for the PowerPoint presentation just now. So I want to convert this MP4 into GIF format. Just to browse Google and select MP4 to GIF converter online. So I have given the description link. Just to click the link, automatically that video to GIF format it will change. Just select your video on your computer. Just select, choose the file. I just go to desktop and select the GIF animation, select open. So automatically my GIF animation will be open here, MP4 format. Just click upload video. So automatically my video will be uploaded over here. So if I would like to change as a GIF format, so convert into GIF format, just scroll down, just select convert to GIF format. Once I select, automatically within a second the output will come over here. So this is a GIF format. I just select, right click and save an image, and I can choose the same path. I can choose and I can save it. Yes, my GIF animation will be ready over here. So this is a video format, this is a GIF format as you see. So this is a GIF file. Once I play the file, automatically every time the file running over there, this is a small object, the animation moving object will be running over there until we close the option. So using this option you can able to animate the magical of your presentation, or you can animate the cartoon characters, everything, the shapes, you can able to make different kind of animation. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.